It's official, it's 2026, and most developers have forgotten how to code without AI. I mean, it started small, just asking AI to generate a React component or find a syntax error. Fast forward to today, and we're heavily dependent. We've moved from chatbots to full AI agents. We feed them prompts until the code works, we stitch the pieces together, and we ship. Shipping has never been faster, but deep down, we know it's making us dumber. We aren't upskilling, we're forgetting what we already knew. We see an error, stare at it for 5 seconds, and immediately run back to the AI. Our problem-solving muscles are atrophying. And the worst thing is that the market is forcing us into this. If you spend a month manually coding one project, you look slow. Meanwhile, the vibe coder next to you uses AI to pump out 3 flashy projects in a week. Companies see the quantity and the vibes, and they pick them for the interview stage every time. So, we crawl back to the AI to stay competitive. But then you get to the technical interview. The AI is gone, and you realize you can't even solve a basic logic problem. You're trapped in a cycle of speed over skill, and that is a dangerous place for a long-term career. But believe it or not, if you actually understand how AI writes code, you'll feel safe. AI usually takes the shortest path to a working solution. But companies don't hire you for "it works." They hire you for clean, readable, scalable systems, something AI does not optimize for. When you know the fundamentals, you aren't just copy-pasting, you are auditing. You become the senior because you can tell when the AI is taking a shortcut that will cause technical debt later. And that's why the developers who will survive 2026 are those who can design systems that's secure and scalable, understand architectures, context, and make judgment calls that AI can't. That's why fundamentals matter more than ever. And by fundamentals, I don't mean just syntax. I mean actually understanding your programming language in depth beyond quick tutorials. I mean knowing core data structures, things like arrays, lists, dictionaries, stacks, queues, not in theory, but knowing when and why to use them. You should also know how to debug your code. You should know your basic design patterns, version control, and actually understanding how data actually flows through your system. I mean, I wonder if I had to take a coding interview today, would I pass? Probably not. I don't think I can sit there and code entirely on my own anymore. That's a scary realization, but also a good reminder of how fast things are changing and why it's important to adapt. So to summarize everything, if you don't use AI, you'll get replaced. And if you only use AI, you'll get replaced just as fast. But AI will be your friend if you focus on the creative, strategic side of development, the part that actually makes us developers. So yeah, we might not be able to code without AI anymore, but maybe that's okay as long as we're still the ones deciding what to build, why to build it, and how to make it matter. So thanks for watching. I hope if you're also feeling the same, this video gave some clarity.